Hey guys, Paul here from Dos Moto Garage back with you. Now we're looking at Hidden Gems Part 3. This is really cool because it's all these old vintage motocross bikes. I've written them down because there's so many and there's so much memorabilia and stuff. I could have spent days in that place. It was like a full museum. It's unreal. So he's like got like YZ, YZ, I sound American, YZ250B, 250D, there's an IT175, there's an IT200, there's a CZ, 1969 CZ, 360 to the TS400. There's also a 74 YZ360B. I nearly said YZ again. Anyway, I'm get out of the way. That's Bob behind me. A bit of sneak peek and some more CBRs. I will put up a Bob video update. Anyway, enjoy the hidden gems. See you guys.